Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. Today, we're only doing one Khan Academy today, so ordering negative number expressions. So, first question here, we're going through three of them. So use the drop down. So this was your drop down. I've already dropped it down so you can see your choices here. They are looking at C plus 2. So you can notice that C, if we were to actually give it a number, might be like negative 1.1 or something like that. Well, what would negative 1.1 plus 2 equal? Negative 1.1 plus 2. Hopefully you said it would equal about 0.9. Well, which is bigger, 1 or 0.9? Or basically, would you rather have a dollar or 90 cents? Hopefully you said the 1 is bigger, so you would choose this one right down here. Okay. Second one. We need to put these in the proper order from least to least here, greatest here, and the one closest to 0 here. So let's take a look at this. S plus R. Would you all agree that S is around 2 and R is around negative 6? So 2 plus negative 6, you might say, would equal negative 4. S, we said, is already equal to 2, so this one equals 2. And the third one, S minus R, S equals 2, so 2 minus, and R equals negative 6. So 2 minus negative 6, two negatives make a positive, so 2 plus 6 would equal 8. So based on this, our least value is which one? You might have said, yep, it's the S plus R. The greatest value is actually the S minus R one. This one should go here, and then the one closest to 0, 2 is closer to 0, would have been the S. So the S would go down here, and the S minus R would have gone right there. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense to kind of write them out mathematically to solve them. All right, last one. Which expression is a negative? Well, let's see here. B is about 1.5. So I like making a little key. B equals about 1.5. And let's see, A equals about negative 0.5. I know it's not perfect, but it gets us close. So A plus B. Well, what is negative 0.5 plus 1? Negative 0.5 plus 1 would be positive 0.5. Is that a negative? No, positive 0.5 is not negative. So A is not our correct answer. What would I'm going to take this out. What would negative 0.5 minus a negative b term, and our b, minus a negative b term, and our b term is 1.5 equal? Well, let's see here. Two negatives together make a plus sign, so actually I could rewrite this one to be negative 0.5 plus 1.5, and that would equal positive 1. Well, is that a negative? No, it's not. So our actual answer on this one would be C, none of the above. But you can notice how I write out my answers so I can get there. Hopefully that helps you guys. You have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.